Have you ever heard that non-stick cookware can be bad for your health? This is a very pressing matter that affects housewives every day. Non-stick pans can make life a lot easier, but some recent research has shown that all non-stick cookware probably has more disadvantages than advantages. Most people know that eating healthy is essential, but few people actually know how to choose the right pot or pan when it's time to cook. Pots that don't release heavy metals into your food will always be the healthiest choice, since these metals can contribute to the development of diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer, and even hyperactivity and ADD in children. On the other hand, non-stick cookware is very practical to use and wash. Foods don't get stuck to it, even if you don't use very much oil. The problem is that part of the non-stick layer can end up in our food, and when the chemicals that make up this layer are heated up or ingested, they can cause serious health damage. Do you know what Teflon means? Teflon is the commercial name of a synthetic polymer known by the acronym PTFE, a high-temperature resistant plastic material. Research has shown that these toxic substances, which include corrosive and lethal gases, when in contact with our body, can cause liver and thyroid damage and reduce our body's ability to fight infections. So, when you notice that your non-stick pan looks worn or scratched, it means that the protective layer is coming off and ending up in your food. Whenever you notice this happening, throw away the pan. If you have any doubts, just do it anyways, especially if the cookware is old or especially worn. The best kinds of pots to have at home are tempered glass, titanium, and ceramic. Always try and choose the best alternative for you and your cooking habits. Tempered glass cookware, easy to clean, does not release any toxic food, and traps heat well, but because it's made of glass, it can break easily. Titanium cookware, much more expensive than the other options, but it traps heat very well, is very resistant, rarely releases any substances, is anti-adherent, and easy to clean. Pottery takes longer to heat up, but traps heat well and for much longer than the other cookware. It is fragile though, so if it falls, it will break or be easily damaged. What kind of cookware do you have at home? Tell us in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.